In this session, let's discuss about skill development activities pertaining to the subject business organization. Basically, there are 4 skill development activities which every student has to compile in the first semester of business organization, which is given at the end of the syllabus. Those are preparation of partnership deed, draw a business tree, make a list of 10 public sector units, and prepare a list of different types of business combinations. In this session, my focus is on the first activity, which is preparation of partnership deed. Students, you have to remember one thing. In your question paper, there are 4 sections. Section A, B, C, and D. Section D is for relating to skill development activity. So you can expect one compulsory question where they will ask you to prepare a partnership deed. So you have to be aware of what you have to include in partnership deed if this question is asked for section D. So first, let's discuss the basics of partnership deed. This you would have studied definitely in your 12th standard, that is PUC. Partnership deed is a partnership agreement between the partners of the firm, which outlines the terms and conditions of the relationship. That is, which makes it clear the legal aspects. While making a partnership deed, there are certain provisions and legal points which are included. This deed also includes basic guidelines for future projects. So what is included in a deed? That is, the first aspect is name of the firm as determined by all partners. Next, name and details of all the partners of the firm. The date on which business is about to commence or already commenced. Firm's existence duration, amount of capital contributed by each partner, and profit sharing ratio between the partners, the duties and obligations and powers of each partner of the firm. And there are further few more aspects. They also mention the salary and commission, if applicable, that is payable to partners. And the process of admission or retirement of a partner will be specified. The methods used for calculating each partner's goodwill. The procedure that must be followed in case if there is any dispute between the partners. Procedure for cases where a partner becomes insolvent. What is a procedure for settlement of accounts in the event of winding up or dissolution of a firm? So these are the compulsory aspects of a partnership deed. So a partnership deed is a written agreement among the partners providing for rules and regulations. It is signed by all the partners. It is stamped as per the Stamp Act. It is documented to prevent possible disputes and disagreements among the partners at a future date. So when you're writing a sample partnership deed in an examination, do not forget to include these compulsory aspects. Name of the firm, name and addresses of the partners, nature of business, date of commencement, duration or period of business, the amount of capital to be brought in by each partner, the amount of drawings that may be permitted in anticipation of profits, and the manner of withdrawal. So let's see some sample. So this is an agreement which is drafted in the year 16 between the partners. Their age is mentioned, and if there are some witnesses, even their details have been mentioned. So that the business of the partnership shall be carried on under the name of the partners or any other names, that the business shall be carried out at a particular address. And what type of business? Are they into manufacturing, trading, selling, or marketing of footwear, artificial jewelry, or computer accessories, or even mobile accessories? So different categories of business are there. Which one is that your partnership is going to carry on? Mention it. And when will this partnership deed come into existence? Now it is 2022, you can say. It is going to come into existence from March 2022. And what will be the net profit after deduction of expenses? So this is how we are going to draft a partnership deed. And you will also tell, if in this case, there are 2 partners. So each one is going to have 50% claim on the entire partnership deed. So what will be the percentage of interest? Initially, what will be the capital? What is the book profits? How much profit will be shared among the members? That is, the partners should all be mentioned in the deed. So if you include these aspects, you can easily score 6 marks in your section D. So we have done with the first activity of how to prepare a partnership deed. Remaining activities we shall discuss in the subsequent session.